wanted to go over towing and the towing options that I have on my 2020 Ram 2500 heavy duty with the 6.4 Hemi. So with the options that I have, it's the 6'4" bed, crew cab, 2500 with the 410 gears. When I plug the VIN numbers in, excuse me, into the Ram website, it says 17,000 pounds. To me, that doesn't seem right. It's the highest of any of the numbers that I found. When I look around, I get anywhere between 13,000 and 16,000, and like I said, the 17,000. So I'm going to, even going on the low end, the 13,000, more than enough for what I need. The trailer that I tow, travel trailer, is probably about 8,000, maybe 8,500 fully loaded, and that's probably a high estimate. So with this truck comes standard 4-prong, and then it's got the 6-prong for the camper. Comes with a class 5 hitch with the class 4 sleeve reducer that just comes with the truck. So class 4 is all I need for what I'm towing. I don't think I'll ever get to the class 5, but if I had to move something heavier, I feel pretty confident in that. This does have the backup camera, which we'll see in a second when we look at the screen. It is super handy. It actually has a zoom mode that helps out with that. Mirrors. I have the fold-up mirrors for towing, and I'm a big fan of that. It's very similar to the F-150 that I had as far as size. It's very close. On the interior, I have the 8.4-inch screen. Starting it up. Uconnect. It's a little different than the sync that I had in my Ford. So when we go to settings, actually I wanted to mention this first. It comes with the integrated trailer brake. I believe I have mine set to 5.5. Everything's going to be different, so please check with your trailer, but that's what seemed to stop my trailer consistently when driving and slowing down. So like I said, mine's 5.5, but every once in a while, if you're driving and it gets a little shaky back there, if you just barely tap this, it seems to help even it out. Here's tow haul mode on mine. I've seen where there's different switches. I don't know if tow haul mode is always here. I know some of the diesels, it has the shift lever up here, so it's a little different. I'm actually starting to really like the knob here. So going back to the screen, you can see I have mine set for travel trailer, because you can actually name them, and if I had other trailers, 2, 3, 4, and you actually set up the brake control with them. As you can see right here, so I'm set on light electric right now. Oop. Let me go back one. Light electric, and you can do heavy electric, light electric over hydraulic, heavy electric over hydraulic. So there's different options that you can set on there. Trailer name, as you can see, mine's travel, but you have boat, car, cargo, dump, equipment. It's got quite a few: motorcycle, snowmobile, fifth wheel, utility. So there's quite a few screens you can go on through there. But what I wanted to show was when you put it in reverse, it has the standard screen, that shows about backing up, but then up here there's a little magnifying glass. If you tap that, it goes right on top of where the hitch would be. It zooms right in there, and backing up onto the trailer was fantastic. It was easy. The line of sight is perfect. It's a nice clear screen. So that's one thing I'm definitely gonna like when backing up the trailer. Typically my wife stands back there and, you know, kind of points me in the right direction, because the view isn't always exact and your distance is typically off. Because it's more of the GoPro or fisheye type lens camera that's back there, it's off a little bit, but this works great. Like I said, the zoom is perfect. So that's the options that I have on here. As I said, I have the 410 gears, so I shouldn't have any problem with my trailer. It's got the trailer brake, tow haul mode, the screen for backing up, hooking up, everything like that. I towed the trailer the other day and it towed nice and smooth. There's plenty of power with this gas, 410 horsepower, 429 pound-feet of torque, so tons of power, plenty. I like the 3/4 ton frame, heavy duty axles. This truck has the upgraded Bilstein shocks, so I think towing with this is going to be fabulous.